This 2024 Winnebago Access 25 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a Santorini interior, sleeps 5, stovetop burner, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, slide-out, external shower, smoke detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Access 25 megaliters is 6,472 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.